Hi. Here I have a phone tripod by ANXRE. Now, when it is just ready for storage, it fits just like this, but when you're ready to use it, you just pop it open. You gotta unhook it like that. So you unlock it by pushing it back, and then you just pop it open like so, and it goes up and down just depending on just for easy adjustment, I should say. And then it also has a mounting pod right here that you can hook onto it, and then it can go lean all the way forward and then just lean back slightly like so. Here's a side-by-side look, just like that. And then it fits to any type of phone size. You just slide it on like so. And once you get it at the right angle, let's say I want it down, I just tighten up the side right here. Here it has a button for the camera and an on and off switch as well. Alrighty, this was given to us as a sample. Okay, bye.